The year is 2025, the world watches with bated breath. A hush falls over the expectant audience. Google takes the stage. They are about to unveil their latest creation, an artificial intelligence unlike any other. This is not just an upgrade, it is a revolution. This is Gemini 2.0. The air crackles with anticipation, the lights dim, and then it begins. The demonstration unfolds, revealing the awesome power of Gemini 2.0. This is not just another AI, this is a new breed capable of things previously thought impossible. The world holds its breath. This is a pivotal moment. The landscape of artificial intelligence is forever changed. The future has arrived, and it is powered by Gemini. Gemini 2.0 is more than a language model. It represents a leap forward in artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. It is a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. The dedication and expertise of countless engineers and scientists have culminated in this groundbreaking technology. Gemini 2.0 can understand and generate human-like text, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Its capabilities extend beyond mere text generation, offering a seamless interaction experience. But it goes further. Imagine a machine that can not only understand your words but also the emotions behind them. This emotional intelligence is what sets Gemini 2.0 apart from other AI models. That is the power of Gemini 2.0. It's not just about processing information, it's about understanding the human experience. It can analyze and interpret complex data including text, images, and even audio to understand the nuances of human communication. This multimodal capability allows it to provide more accurate and contextually aware responses. This sophisticated understanding allows Gemini 2.0 to generate responses that are not only accurate, but also contextually relevant and emotionally intelligent. It's like having a conversation with someone who truly gets you. It can adapt its communication style to match the tone and sentiment of the conversation, making it feel like you're interacting with a real person. This adaptability enhances user experience, making interactions more natural and engaging. Gemini 2.0 is also incredibly versatile. Its applications are vast, ranging from personal assistance to complex problem-solving tools. It can translate languages seamlessly, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool in various fields. Gemini 2.0 is a game-changer. It surpasses its predecessors in every way, setting a new benchmark for artificial intelligence. Its ability to process information and learn from data is light years ahead of older models, making it faster, more efficient, and more accurate. One of the most significant improvements is its ability to understand and respond to complex, multifaceted queries. It can break down a question into its constituent parts, analyze each part individually, and then synthesize the information to provide a comprehensive and insightful answer. This advanced reasoning capability allows Gemini 2.0 to tackle problems that were previously considered too difficult for AI. It can analyze vast datasets, identify patterns and trends, and generate predictions with remarkable accuracy. But what truly sets Gemini 2.0 apart is its ability to learn and adapt. It is constantly evolving, refining its understanding of the world with each interaction. This continuous learning process ensures that it remains at the forefront of AI technology. The release of Gemini 2.0 sent shockwaves through the tech world, marking a significant milestone in artificial intelligence development. Its arrival reignited the fierce competition in the AI arena, particularly with OpenAI's GPT-4, which had been leading the charge. Both are titans in the field, but Gemini 2.0 boasts several key advantages that set it apart from its predecessor. While both models possess remarkable language processing capabilities, Gemini 2.0 demonstrates a deeper understanding of context and nuance, making it more adept at handling intricate conversations. It excels at interpreting complex queries, deciphering ambiguous language, and responding with greater accuracy and relevance, which is crucial for real-world applications. Furthermore, Gemini 2.0's ability to process and analyze diverse data types, including text, images, and audio, gives it a significant edge over its competitors. This multimodal understanding allows it to tackle a wider range of tasks and provide more comprehensive insights, making it a versatile tool in various industries. The battle between Gemini 2.0 and GPT-4 is a testament to the rapid pace of innovation in the AI field, showcasing the relentless pursuit of excellence. It is a battle that will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, leading to even more sophisticated and powerful AI systems in the future, transforming the way we interact with technology. Section 5. A world-transformed Gemini in action. The impact of Gemini 2.0 is already being felt across various industries. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, its applications are vast and transformative. Let's explore how Gemini 2.0 is reshaping our world. In healthcare, Gemini 2.0 is revolutionizing patient care. It can analyze medical records, research papers, and even patient conversations to assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Imagine a world where every doctor has access to the combined medical knowledge of the entire planet, instantly available at their fingertips. That is the promise of Gemini 2.0. In the business world, Gemini 2.0 is streamlining operations and improving efficiency. It can automate tasks, analyze market trends, and personalize customer experiences with unparalleled precision. This allows businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize their strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Section 6. The Ripples of Innovation. The unveiling of Gemini 2.0 has sent ripples of innovation throughout the tech industry. Companies are scrambling to integrate this revolutionary AI into their products and services, while researchers are eagerly exploring its potential to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. The impact of Gemini 2.0 extends beyond its immediate applications. Its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data has opened up new avenues for scientific discovery, enabling researchers to tackle complex problems in fields like medicine, climate change, and space exploration. This wave of innovation is not limited to established tech giants. Startups and entrepreneurs are also leveraging the power of Gemini 2.0 to develop groundbreaking solutions in areas like personalized education, assistive technology, and creative arts. The ripple effect of Gemini 2.0 is only just beginning. As its capabilities continue to evolve, so too will its impact on our world, leading to a future brimming with possibilities. Section 7. The genie is out of the bottle. Competitors react. The arrival of Gemini 2.0 has sent shockwaves through the tech landscape, forcing competitors to re-evaluate their strategies and accelerate their own AI development. The genie is out of the bottle, and the race for AI supremacy has intensified. Companies that were once content with incremental advancements are now under immense pressure to innovate or risk being left behind. The stakes have never been higher, and the competition is fiercer than ever before. Some companies are responding by forging strategic partnerships and collaborations, pooling resources and expertise to compete with Google's dominance. Others are doubling down on research and development, investing heavily in attracting top AI talent and developing their own cutting-edge technologies. The competitive landscape is shifting rapidly, with new players emerging and established giants adapting to the new reality. The era of Gemini 2.0 has ushered in a new chapter in the evolution of artificial intelligence, one marked by relentless innovation and a fierce battle for supremacy. Companies are not just competing on technology but also on vision and execution. The ability to foresee market needs and swiftly adapt has become crucial. In this high-stakes environment, even the smallest misstep can lead to significant setbacks. The future of AI is being written now, and every player wants to be the author of the next big breakthrough. Section 8. Gazing into the crystal ball, the future of AI. The advent of Gemini 2.0 has opened up a Pandora's box of possibilities. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's both exhilarating and daunting to imagine where this technology might lead us. Imagine a world where AI assistants are not just helpful, but indispensable, seamlessly integrating into our lives and augmenting our capabilities in ways we can only begin to fathom. Picture doctors collaborating with AI to develop personalized treatments, architects designing breathtaking structures with AI-powered tools, and teachers leveraging AI to create immersive and engaging learning experiences. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and ensure that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. We must strive to create an AI-powered future that benefits all of humanity, a future where technology empowers us rather than controls us. Section 9. A Call to the Cosmos, Our AI Future. The journey into the age of artificial intelligence has just begun. Gemini 2.0 is not the destination, but a stepping stone on a path that will lead us to uncharted territories. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with both excitement and caution. We must ask ourselves not only what AI can do, but also what it should do. We must ensure that this powerful technology is used for the betterment of humanity, to solve our greatest challenges and unlock our true potential. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will write together. Let us embrace this future with both optimism and a sense of responsibility, working together to shape an AI-powered world that reflects our shared values and aspirations. The cosmos awaits, and the possibilities are limitless.